Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a canvas with paper, providing a versatile surface for your artwork. We'll start by gathering essential materials. You'll need sturdy paper, a good quality adhesive, and gesso to prepare your surface. Having these items ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience from start to finish. Now, let's prepare our paper base. Choose a thick paper, like watercolor or mixed media, at least 90 pounds, for the best results. Cut your paper to your desired canvas size, adding about 1 inch on each side for a clean edge. Apply a thin, even coat of white glue to one side, then carefully smooth out any air bubbles to create a perfectly flat surface. With your paper base dry, it's time to prime it with gesso. Gesso creates a non-absorbent, slightly textured surface, ideal for painting. Apply a thin, even coat of acrylic gesso, brushing in one consistent direction. Let it dry for about 20 minutes, then lightly sand it. Repeat this process for a second coat, brushing in the opposite direction, to achieve a smooth, ready-to-paint surface. To complete your paper canvas, apply a second gesso coat, brushing perpendicular to the first. This builds an even, durable surface. Let it dry thoroughly, ideally for several hours, to ensure it's fully cured. Your homemade paper canvas is now ready for your creative touch, perfect for acrylics, oils, or mixed media. Enjoy creating your art.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.